Alam mo ba itong kanta, te? Old Friend?
Hindi. Pero naririnig ko to.
Oo, lagi ito sing-along eh.
Oo, lagi itong ni-request. At paborito to ng tatay ko.
Talaga? Yes! Sige, alam mo, automatic mo. Pag binabanggit mo yung tatay mo, automatic yung sounds.
Ang tanong namin, handa ka na ba?
Sing na sing ka na ba?
Sing na sing ka na ba?
Sing na sing na!
Kung ganon, sing mo na!
A million times more I thought about you. The years, the tears, the laughter, things we used to do. A memory that frosts me like a sunny day. You touched my life in such a special way. I miss the way you run your fingers through my hair. Those crazy nights we cuddled in your easy chair. Oh no, I won't let foolish pride turn you away. I'll take back whatever price I pay. Old friend, it's so nice to feel you hold me again. No, it doesn't matter where you have been. My heart welcomes you back home again. Remember those romantic walks we used to take. You held my hand in such a way my knees would shake. You can't imagine just how much I needed you. I've never loved someone as I loved you. Old friend, it's so nice to feel you hold me again. No, it doesn't matter where you have been. My heart welcomes you back, old friend. This is where a happy thing begins. Yes, I'm sure that's time to win, gotta win. Welcome back into my life again. Thank you po.
Grabe ka naman.
Grabe, ang
In
tutok.
fairness.
Again.
Teka muna. Magtatanggal ako sapatos.
Aba!
Ay! Hindi, mahirap sumayaw kasi mataas eh. Hindi ko alam to eh. Ayan.
Hindi mo alam, pero
Hindi pa
naghanda.
alam.
Hindi.
Nagtanggal ka ng sapatos.
Excited na kaming lahat.
Kumanta na lang kayo.
Alright, ang tanong, Ate Nes.
O yan, umpisa nito.
Sing na sing ka na ba?
Sing na sing na!
Kung ganon, sing mo na!
Ano?
Everybody gather round now. Let the party feel the beat. Don't worry if you can't dance. Let them move you to your feet. Sanale, conga, the beat. Mama, check it out.
Dinaan sa
Ang hirap.
Pinaasasaya.
performance
Level.
Alam nyo, kailangan lang talaga magtrabaho.
Ang tanong, Aljur, sing na ba?
Sing na!
Aljur, sing mo na!
After some time, I finally made up my mind. She's the girl, and I really want to make her mine. Searching everywhere to find her again, to tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. I find her standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she's crying while she was saying this. Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though you've traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Out in the streets, places where hungry hearts have got to eat. Inside my head, still I can hear the words she said. Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Oh, you've traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. I can still hear her say, thank you.
Yun. Ay! Nag-standing ovation din.
MC, ready ka na ba?
Ready na?
Kung ready ka na, sing mo na!
Wala pa. Mayroon akong nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo bang matagal na kitang iniibig? Matagal na akong naghihintay, ngunit mayroong kang ibang minamahal. Kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin, ngunit ganon pa man, nais kong malaman mo, ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako.
singgalingan kong kanta ay Sex Bomb.
Ang
Wow!
taray. Nagulat naman ako doon.
Sex bomb, ha?
Ay, in fairness, bagay sa outfit mo.
Oh,
Okay,
bagay
oh.
sa outfit.
Ayan,
Okay.
inatabayan na naman ang pagsasayaw mo ng sex bomb. Ang tanong, sing na sing ka na ba?
Sing na sing na!
Kung gano'n,
Sing mo na!
Spy on me, baby, use satellite. Infrared to see me move through the night. Aim gonna fire, shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you fight. Now you found the secret code I use to wash away my lonely blues. So I can't deny your light, 'cause you're the only one to make me fly. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Baby, you can turn me on. Yeah! Now don't get me wrong, ain't gonna do you no harm. This bomb's for loving, you can shoot it far. I'm your main target, come on, help me ignite. Love shock, holding you tight. Make me explode, although you know the route to go is to sex me slow. And yes, I must react to claims of those who say that you are not all that. Yeah, sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Baby, you can turn me on. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Baby, you can turn me on. Baby, you can turn me on. Baby, you can turn me on.
oh ha?
I'll sing Tuloy Pa Rin by Neo Colors po.
Tuloy pa rin by Mario Colors.
Maraming salamat, Queen Ay at Billy.
Alright.
Okay.
Eto na ang tanong, Patrick at Petit. Sing na ba kayo?
Sing na!
Kung gano'n,
Sing nyo na!
Suwari ko'y lumipas na kadiliman ng araw. Dahan-dahan pang kumigising at ngayon babawi na. Muntik na masanay ako sa aking pag-iisa. Kaya nang iwanan ng bakas ng kahapon.
Grabe. Okay, kung ready ka na, Alex,
Sing mo na!
Di kita malimutan sa mga gabing nagdaan. Ikaw ang pangarap, nais kong makamtan sa buhay ko. Ikaw ang kahulugan. Ibig ko'y walang kamatayan. Ako'y umaasang muli kang magan. Palakpakan tayo. Sabay-sabay ah! Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang patutunguhan at pupuntahan. Pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noon, bukas at kailanman. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noon, bukas at kailanman. Mula noon, bukas at kailanman.
Punong-puno
Yan,
ng emosyon.
May method acting pa eh.
Hinaan tayo sa emosyon.
Ang ganda naman. Pati yung bitaw ng mga ibang letra eh, di ba?
So, ang kantang pagdwedweluhan nyo ay... Ayan na. Good luck! Against all odds.
Okay! Let's do this! Bobsy and Joseph, ang tanong, sing na ba kayo?
Sing na sing na!
Kung around, sing nyo na!
How can I just let you walk away? Just let you leave without a trace. When I stand here taking every breath with you. Oh, you're the only one who really knew me and all.
How can just you look from me when all I can do is watch you leave? 'Cause we're sharing laughter and the pain, and being shared the tears. You're the only one who really knew me at all.
So take a look at me now. There's just an empty space, and there's nothing there to remind me. Just the memory of your face.
Take a look at me now. We're just
Take a look at me now. Well, there's just an empty space,
And there's nothing left here to remind me, just a memory on your face. So can look at me now. There's just an empty space, and you coming back to me is against all odds, and the chance I gotta take.
Tapos na.
Ganda! Ang tanong, Wakikiray, sing na ka na ba?
sing na, sing na!
Iyon kung ganon, sing mo na!
Life to offer me when I grow old. What's there to look forward to beyond pine and cold? 'Cause they say it's difficult. Yes, they are typical. Gotta be conventional. You can be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've got to face in this cycle that we call life. We are the one who are next in line. We are next in line. What is life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? 'Cause they say it's difficult. Yes, stereotypical. You gotta be conventional. You can be so radical. So I sing this song to all my age, for these are the questions we've got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the one who are next in line. We are next in line.
Ang
Wow.
ganda naman, oh.
Sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Wala lang. Ano piliin mo? Goodbye or hello? Ang taray, no? Salungat,
Yes.
goodbye tsaka hello.
Siyempre parati naman akong iniiwan. Doon ako sa goodbye.
Ay,
Ah.
salamat,
Thank you.
Quinay at Billy, Lionel.
Eto na ang tanong, Pepay. Ara! Sing na ba kayo?
Sing na, sing na!
Kung ganon, sing nyo na!
I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and I sympathize, and I'll never criticize all you've ever meant to my life.
I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lead you on. I don't wanna hold you back from where your mind belongs.
You would never ask me why. My every chance and the kind of love I'm not sure I'm worthy of.
Losing you is painful to me.
I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lead you on.
I don't wanna hold you back from where you're at. No, but never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. No, it's gonna hurt us both.
There's no other way than to say goodbye.
Ganda! Lumabang pareho.
Yes.
Randy, in fairness. Pero Pepe, ano ang pangsinggalingan mong kanta?
Ang pangsinggalingan ko pong kanta ay Himig Natin.
Nako, magandang laban to. Uy.
Juan de la Cruz Band.
Idol.
Ang tanong, Pepe, sing ka na ba?
Sing na sing na!
Abay kung ganoon, sing mo na!
Ako'y nag-iisa at walang kasama. Di ko makita ang aking pag-asa. Ang himig natin, ang inyong awitin, upang tayo'y magsama-sama sa langit ng pag-asa. Ako'y may kaibigan at siya'y nahihirapan. Handa na ba kayong lahat upang siya'y tulungan? Ang himig natin, ang inyong awitin, upang tayo'y magsama-sama sa langit ng pag-asa. Ang himig natin, inyong awitin. Ang himig natin, inyong awitin. Ang himig natin.
Ayun naman! Totoo yan, ang himig natin, ang inyong awitin. Grabe, kita mo naman, napatayo rin natin mga boses,
Ulit!
eh, di ba?
Standing ovation ulit!
Singgaling Celebrity Edition.